Again, I'm going to do some shrimp fried rice today. Okay, only takes a few minutes. Tell you what we got to start. I've got some chopped ginger, finely diced ginger. Some finely about 4 cloves, large cloves of diced garlic. About a half a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. About a teaspoon of sea salt. I've got a half a teaspoon of sesame oil and a teaspoon to a tablespoon of soy sauce. I've got 1 egg beaten. I'm going to fry up in this little skillet I've got. I got some mixed vegetables. And I added some fresh green onions. And of course about 10 to 12 large shrimp. And last but not least, our rice. Okay? So we're going to go and get started. First thing I'm going to do is get my egg started. Okay? Get that fried egg, get that going. Get. And I'm going to go ahead and put some oil in the skillet. This wok rather, because it looks like it's ready to roll. It's starting to smoke. Go ahead and put my mixed vegetables in. I throw my ginger in. My fresh garlic. The pepper. Salt. Go ahead and cook this egg. Shut that one on. I'm going to throw my shrimp in. It takes a minute for the shrimp to cook, a couple minutes at most. Go ahead and throw the rice in. Throw our egg in. Sesame oil, and we're going to put our soy sauce. I don't like to overdo it with the soy sauce or the sesame oil. Then it overwhelms. I do not want that. Okay, looks like we're all done here. Plate it up, plate it up. Drop a couple of nice shrimp on top. That's basically it. What I do, I put some green scallions, green onions, finely diced for a little garnish on top. And then we're done. How does that look for you? Doesn't take long, does it? It smells absolutely fantastic. We'll see you on the next go round. Thank you for spending time with me. Have a great day.